Hi everyone, this is Selena for Trinity Stamps, and we're taking a closer look at the layered Peninsula layering stencil that's part of the Sweet Summer celebration. So let's take a closer look. This is a single 6x9 stencil to create beautiful layered rocky peninsula. So you can see there engraved lines, so you can layer those very easily. Also, there are two masking dies for the rocks, and also for this is for a light beam, so this also coordinate with the lighthouse die set that's sold separately. So here I have piece of 8.5 by 11 cardstock that I have stenciled all the parts except the light beam, and here's a sample of a card that I made using the also the lighthouse die, and I used that light beam. So let's take a closer look at few samples from our design team. So here it's used as an ocean. Here's also used with the lighthouse die. Another one with the lighthouse die. We have here with the gnome. And another one used as an ocean. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button and like this video. Also visit our blog for more ideas and more inspiration. Thanks for watching. Bye!